Hello everyone, this is Jyoti Mishra from My Clothing Treasure, and today I have this beautiful chicken curry semi Georgette sari. As you can see, it has multiple colored threads, and the work is called as tepchi work or tepki work. It's basically known as Lucknow chicken curry because that's the place where this chicken curry art originated. It is being said that Noor Jahan first, started this chicken curry thing. But this particular work that you are seeing on this sari, thepchi work, it is the most basic form of chicken curry, which was started when the Mughals were very interested in Jamdani work, but at that time it was not very easily available. There were no weavers in Lucknow who could do Jamdani work for the Mughals. So what they did was they just appointed some of their chicken curry karigars to do something similar to Jamdani. They tried a lot, and at the end they came back with this technique, using which, if you want, you can actually replicate a Jamdani. If if these thread works are done very finely in shapes that Jamdanis are like vines, flowers, so it will look like Jamdani. So from that, this is the story behind this particular work, tepchi work. But this one that you are looking at is the most basic form of chicken curry. That's the reason when you get a kurta or sari with tepchi work, it is comparatively cheaper, but still it requires a lot of effort and time because the whole sari is done by hand only. You can see the behind also. I will show you the behind. It also looks almost same except for these knots, see, to tie the threads together. Otherwise it's almost same to the front side. The reverse is almost a replica of the mirror image of the front side. So the entire sari goes like this. These are also available on pure Georgette, but pure Georgette that they come around 7 to 8,000. That's the starting range. But because this is semi Georgette, it's comparatively affordable. And this is the aanchal. There is no clear demarcation of where the pallu starts because the entire sari has this work going on. And then here comes the blouse piece. It's plain and has these embroideries, same embroidery, same chicken curry pattern that is on the sari to match.